Presenting a pre-owned 2009 Mercedes-Benz. This four-door sedan has an 8-cylinder, 5.5-liter V8 engine, with all-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Mercedes-Benz has less than 84,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 14 miles per gallon in the city, and 21 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Ask to see the free AutoCheck Vehicle History Report. Key features include automatic climate control, Sirius satellite radio, anti-lock brakes, cruise control, keyless entry, power steering, universal remote, moonroof, leather seats, power door locks, stability control, traction control, navigation system, Bluetooth, and power windows.